Good day, Madam and Sir. I would like to take this opportunity to say thank you to give me a chance to introduce myself. I am Maribel Lelisa and I am 47 years old right now, and I was born on April 10, 1977. I live in Libtong, Tagudin, Ilocos Sur, and I am happily married, blessed with 4 kids. Their ages is 23, 16, 13, and 8. My educational highest attainment is a high school graduate, and I am a Roman Catholic. I am a ex-abroad Madam and Sir for 8 years, finished contract. In Dubai, I finished contract 4 years, and my duties and responsibilities are taking care of children, laundry, ironing, and cleaning the house. I didn't cook, Madam, because they have their own cook, other nationality. Then my second employer is in Hong Kong to take care of 80 years old diabetic person, old man. And my duties is assisting my boss to his medication daily as a diabetic, cleaning his house, and marketing, and also cooking. And also I will take my boss to the park for his daily exercise. That was year 2018 to 2022. I am flexible, trustworthy, hardworking, cheerful, and obedient, with initiative to work without supervision, and I am a loyal. Thank you so much, Madam and Sir. I hope I can find a good employer here. Thank you so much and have a nice day.